Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put 1 inch page border line in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to put 1 inch page border. Select the master pages and double click on the master page. Then select the text frame tool and draw the text frame over the pages. Then go to the text frame option and select the frame stroke. Now I select the solid line and select the stroke and select this and write 1 inch. Then press enter on our keyboard and close the window. Then select the move tool. Then disable the master pages and double click on the main page. Now we can see we add 1 inch page border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.